Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to go over how to create two separate cameras. So you'll be able to switch between two different cameras, one being the one attached to the player, and there'll be another camera that you can use to fly around the scene. So we're just going to check out this camera switch script real quick. So we're using the variable camera, which will be camera 1 and camera 2. And for each of these, we can choose to enable or disable one, which will switch to be our main camera. So I just set it up very simply. If you press K, camera 1 is deactivated, camera 2 is activated, and then vice versa for pressing L. So we can switch back and forth between the different cameras and such. So what you want to do now is go ahead and create our second camera. We'll lift it way up there. We can just name this Flycam, and we're going to want to attach the Flycam script to it. You can adjust the different settings for that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to throw the camera switch script onto the player, and we want to throw our main camera onto camera 1 and the Flycam onto camera 2. So right now, when it starts, we have our normal camera, and if we press K, it will switch to our Flycam, which we can fly around the world and look at everything. So if you're creating maybe like if you wanted like a map that actually showed your world, you can switch to this and move around. Or if you're making like a RTS game or anything like that where you want an orbital camera, or if you're doing like a multiplayer game and you want other players to be able to watch what's going on, you can give them an orbital camera and or a Flycam, and they can go and look around the scene. And then if we press L, it'll jump back to our player and we can begin controlling them again. So that's the basics of how to switch back and forth between two different cameras.